as I went through your solution, so I found that it seems many of you are having difficulties in drawing the structure of FFT algorithm. So whether be it decimation in time, decimation in frequency FFT, so I think you face difficulties. Now let me show how we draw the structure of that FFT. So suppose there is a question. So your x of n is given by this one, 8 1. Find DFT using DIT FFT algorithm, which means you are going to use decimation in time FFT algorithm. So you know that your input is bit reversal and output is in the natural scale sequence. So therefore I know my output. So therefore I will write my output: x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x is capital में, x of 7 mush. And you know that your input is bit reversal, so this 4 will be even, then last 4 will be odd. So your x of 0, so this will be x of 4, this will be x of 2, your x of 6 even side. Now odd key x of 1, this will be x of 5, x of 3, x of 7 mush. Now you know the value, and the 1, this one is equal to 1, equal to 1, equal to 1, equal to 1, this one equal to 1, equal to 1, equal to 1. The reason why I draw 8 line is because since I am holding camera myself, it is making me difficult to draw the line. But I didn't use scale scale use mabe me scale use penu je ani camera namatembe se no ba. Now we want to draw the butterfly computation. Then first nadi, so it is n by 8 imati mush. Then this will be n by 4, n by 2 imati. So n by 8 nadi, you know that one mush. Shigi. Now in order to draw that butterfly computation, you can keep a dot mark. Kera mush straight nabe. So in order to make your drawing very neat and clean, so you have to make a mark like that. So it will be make your figure clear. So you have to give arrow -1 and arrow jingo. So you know that one is -1, arrow jingo, -1, arrow jingo. This is -1, -1 mush. Now you have a Twitter factor out here. This one is omega 8 raised to 0. Again you have Twitter factor omega 8 raised to 0, omega 8 raised to 0, omega 8 raised to 0. Now when you reach at n to 4, which means it will be divided to 4. Again we will mark the dot to make your figure clear and neat and tidy. So I am holding camera myself and is making me difficult. So this will connect it over here, this will connect over here, this should be connect to here, this should connect to here, and you should give arrow. So don't forget, this is -1, this is -1. So your Twitter effect out here, omega 8 is to 0, omega 8 is to 2 mush. Similarly this will connect over here, this will be here, this will be here, this will be here, and you don't forget to give arrow, and this is -1. Similarly your Twitter factor omega 8 is to 0, omega 8 is to 2. Now finally you reach 8 is n by 2. That means you are going to join all mush ana jingo bati mush. Okay, ani bego. I'm just showing the structure chamjime. I'm not going to solve all. Then this should be connected over here. Yeah, thoka. Achi mitube, since I'm holding my camera myself, ani binigi achi problem theme me. Achi lishum majo. Again you have to give arrow mark, and this should be -1, -1 mush. You are to reflect out here, omega 8 is to 0, omega 8 raised to 1, omega 8 raised to 2, omega 8 raised to 3. Now then ane malu clean be omega 8 raised to 0 gi gamchina omega 8 raised to 1, omega 8 raised to 2, omega 8 raised to 3 chamchi gobe patinga chimosh ani value gera sunite. So what is your omega 8 raised to ani 0 gi gamchimo 0 gi 1 mosh tele omega 8 raised to 1 gidi 0.707 point j 0.707 tele 2 gidi minus j omega 8 raised to 3 gidi minus 0.707 minus j 0.707 ani me batim no. Now after doing all the structure ani do be thajimle now you are going to calculate ana the calculate beni chi ana gam choni me what is value out here omega 8 raised to 0 di 1 ibati so it will be 1 plus 1 2 ani beja ani 0 2 mush 0 2 0 2 0 mush. Now this should multiply out here in the next structure. This will be 2 ana 0 thiong tele ana omega 8 raised to 0 diga chimu so this is 1 so therefore it will be 2 ana 0 times 0 0 thiong 2 yana so this will be 0 so this will be 2 this will be 0 ani but mush. Now again ana ga chiu so it will be 2 plus 2 4 mush so what will be this one 0 what will be this one 2 minus 2 0 so this one will be 0 similarly ana yagizumobe. Now you will multiply this one omega 8 raised to ani gamjimo multiply beyond and 4 diong 0 0 0 anadi 4 diong mati omega 8 raised to 0 is 1 yen beyond ana if you have a value multiply beyond mati but since you don't have value out here so it will be 0 0 multiply beyond 0 rajo so this will be for 8 0 0 0 0 gera 0 thong mati so therefore finally chigi ana digo x of k is equal to 8 0 0 0 0 4 5 6 7 so this is your x of k. So anim chi digo tuga you should draw structure like that tuga doubt heba chi daru tri